In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a layer in Affinity Photo. We're going to do it on both just a plain layer and a picture layer. And to start with, we have a transparent background here. So the simple, quick, easy way to change that color is to go over here, select your paint bucket tool, and just click on it. There, you've changed that color. You could also come over here, select from your colors here, or swatches, or if you're on your color tool, you can go up here and select wheel. That may be easier for you. There's some ways. Now let's go over here and look at a picture. Let's say I want to change the color of a picture. I can get my color select tool, come over here, pick me out a color, and we want to make sure our picture layer is selected when we're doing this. And this little round circle next to it, just click and apply. And there you go. You've changed the color. Or you could do it from your swatches or color wheel as I showed before. And that's all there is to it. If this has helped you, how about leaving a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe. Help the YouTube algorithm get this channel out there. Thank you. You have a good day.